Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you change some of the properties like colors and other properties of this background template in After Effects. Once you open the project, you see this structure that we have others and final renders, and when you want to use the backgrounds, you have to use these compositions that are located in the final render folder. For example, if I want to change color of this background, you see that we have a control and null object in every composition. In every background we have this control. So when you want to change the color, you have to select this controller null object, and if you go to FX controller, you see that we have a bunch of parameters for colors in here like this. As you can see, very easily I can change some of the colors in here and animated, and you can just hit render or use it in for your projects in After Effects. So if I go to controller here, I can change some of the other properties, like as you can see in here like this, and for every composition they are the same like this. So that was it. There was nothing fancy about this template. It's very easy to use, and see you guys next time.